Welcome back to Connect Link, a community where entrepreneurs, talent, and investors build startups. You can also get more info of Connect Link at the end of the video. Watch till the end. Today, we are diving into a topic that's on every founder's mind: how to do marketing with the least cost, or even without spending money. Most early-stage startups have a very low budget for marketing, and even if they have some spare money, they would probably spend it on hiring an engineer or a designer. However, needless to say, marketing is an inherent part of growing a business and cannot be skipped. And no matter how early stage you are probably doing some kind of marketing. In this video, I will give you some tips to help you run your marketing efficiently with zero or very little money. To help you lower your costs in all aspects, we also have a video about how to find free contributors to build your MVP. You can check it out if you are interested after watching this video. Now let's get started on the tips. Tip number 1. Define your target audience. Before diving into any marketing efforts, it's crucial to understand who you are trying to reach. In other words, you must know who your users, clients, and customers are. Make sure to clearly identify your target group and tell your story to the relevant audience. You don't want to waste your very limited resources on targeting the wrong people. You should be as efficient as possible within your limited budget. For example, you can define your target audience based on their demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you tailor your market strategies and make the most impact. Next up, we have tip number 2. Leverage social media and grow your social media presence. Social media platforms offer an incredible opportunity for free marketing. Regardless of whether you have personal accounts on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media in general, when it comes to your business, you must safeguard a solid online presence. It's free to start, and you can gradually build your own community. Create engaging profile on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Share valuable content, engaging with your audience, and build a community around your brand. It's a cost-effective way to increase brand awareness and connect with potential customers. Also, please keep in mind, establishing a social media presence is a long-term play. You should monitor what people are talking about your brand, competitors, and industry. You can also join in on the conversations whenever relevant as well. Tip number 3. Content marketing. Sharing valuable and informative content is a fantastic way to attract and engage your target audience. Start a blog, make a podcast, or create videos. By providing valuable insights and information, you will establish yourself as an expert in your industry and build trust with your audience. Starting a blog is among the best ways to market your business for free. In fact, with this form of content marketing, you can effectively reach your target audience and bring organic traffic to your website. Having a blog is a strong marketing tactic nowadays because people can turn to you for advice when they want to solve their pain points. You can provide those answers in your blogs and in this way show your expertise in the field. More importantly, you can expand your online presence and make your brand reputable. Industry-focused video or audio podcasting is hot right now, and it is another great cost-effective way to market your business. All you need is a microphone, camera, and podcast hosting. In this case, camera and mic can be your iPhone, and hosting can be Spotify. All of these are free. As you grow further, you should upgrade your equipment, but right now, your iPhone is definitely good enough to record decent videos. Think of podcasts as a long-term investment that can help you showcase your knowledge, promote brand awareness, and build a loyal customer base. Moreover, through podcasting, you get the chance to meet and discuss with other business owners and experts, thus extending your contacts network and make potential collaborations. If you are just starting out, remember that you can always repurpose your existing content like your blog post and create a next podcast out of it. Audience-focused videos is the visual way to go about marketing your brand. By shooting videos, you can show some of your brand personality too. From educational videos to behind-the-scenes footage of your company, all work great. Well, in this way, you also humanize your brand. Keep in mind that shooting marketing videos involves both planning and production matters. The planning matters include deciding on the frequency of the new video release and mapping out the content that you will be covering. The production matters include the device for shooting and the software for editing. Remember that short videos should be entertaining and informative. Every platform has a different sentiment. The goal should not be ruin the flow of users scrolling the feed, but to deliver something that they would like to watch. For example, on LinkedIn, people like to watch short, successful educational videos, whereas on Instagram, TikTok, people like to watch entertaining and informative videos. Also, please know that don't give up by making a single or a few videos. Getting visibility is a long-term game, and you should complete at least 40 to 60 videos before giving up. Speaking of visibility, tip number 4 is all about search engine optimization or SEO. Optimize your website and content to improve your organic search rankings. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally in your website, blog posts, video titles, and other contents. This way, you will increase your chance of appearing higher in search engine results, driving more organic traffic to your website. And please note, SEO is also a long-term game, and you shouldn't get in a hurry. On average, an SEO optimization process tends to show results in 4 to 6 months. On top of SEO, here is tip number 5. Google My Business. Irrespective of the kind of the business you have, if you want to get visibility faster on Google, you should register your business on Google Maps. It shows up when someone searches your brand name, and it is also shown when people search for products and services from your location. It's a great hack, and linking website and phone number improves the organic visibility on Google Maps listing as well as your website. Once you have your listing alive, ask your customers to leave a proper descriptive review, which will also help you rank faster in the categories if you have multiple competing businesses at your location. Tip number 6 is the classic one, email marketing. Newsletters are your newspaper across your audience. Everything about your brand and business goes there. Build an email list by offering valuable content and incentives to your website visitors. Regularly communicate with your subscribers, sharing updates, promotions, and relevant information. Email marketing is the most cost-effective way to nurture leads, drive conversations, and keep your audience engaged. Tip number 7, networking. Attend industry events, conferences, and local meetups to connect with potential customers and partners. Every free event or seminar is an excellent opportunity to network with other business owners and talk about your brand. Make sure your business card ends up in every influencer's card holder, be on every specialist's LinkedIn, and get your name on top of the list. That just involves clicking on the Attend button on every single event that interests you. Networking is a powerful way to create relationships, generate referrals, and gain valuable insights. Remember, your network can be a valuable marketing asset. And here follows up with tip number 8, influencer partnerships. Collaborate with influencers or industry experts who align with your brand. They can help promote your products or services to their existing audience, expand your reach and credibility. Don't forget, these collaborations can often be achieved without spending money, especially if you can offer something of value in return. Tip number 9, referral programs. Encouraging your existing customers to refer your products or services to others by offering incentives or discounts. Word of mouth marketing is a powerful tool, and happy customers can become your best brand advocates. Tip number 10. Organize webinars. Webinars are another efficient marketing strategy that doesn't break the bank. Webinars can not only establish you as an expert in your field, but also boost lead generation and conversations. You could opt to co-host a webinar with another company and, as a result, reach a wider audience. Use Google Meet free version, record the webinar with a free screen recording software, and publish on YouTube, and later as a blog post on company blog. It will also help you in the SEO and will improve organic visibility. The last but not least, tip number 11, public relations or PR. Don't hire any agency if you are just an early stage startup. You don't have the money, and even if you do, save it for later. Do your PR yourself. If you have a story, email the journalists directly and talk to them at an event. It's an easy way to get on their radar and save some money at the same time. Write and distribute press releases about important milestones, new product launches, or unique aspects of your business. Reach out to local media outlets or industry-specific publications that might be interested in covering your story. Apart from providing valuable exposure for your brand, PR is also valuable in the stage of fundraising. You want the audience to be familiar with your brand, but you also want to increase brand awareness among the investors too. And here are some tricks. Use multiple roles and outreach strategies here to get the work done. To outreach, you can outreach them as the founder or CEO, local media agency, a journalist to get the work done. PR people expect money, and to get it free, you should really have a compelling story. You can also use the Elon Musk's way to get tons of PR, but you have to become Elon Musk first. While you do all the marketing, it is also very important to have the right tools. There are a couple of free or freemium tools that can simplify marketing and help you in marketing efforts. You should use Google's search engine console to observe the impact on SEO. Use the Google Analytics to understand the growth of traffic and audience. The free version of Clever Tab is also enough to know your audience. Use Microsoft Clarity to see what visitors do when they land on your website. The Zoho Social can help you publish on all social media pages from just one place, and it can save you a lot of time. All these tools are for free or have a freemium tier which can help you in the marketing. That's all about our 11 tips for marketing with the least cost. Remember, while these strategies and tips don't require a significant monetary investment, they do require time, effort, and creativity. Pick one or two of them first and start your marketing now. You can also get the full script in our blog. I will put the link in the description. To those who may not be familiar with ConnectLink, ConnectLink is a platform where your startup dream can be achieved. At ConnectLink, entrepreneurs can find talents and investors, and talents can find real startups to contribute, and the investors can find interesting startups to fund. If you are any one of these, you should join ConnectLink right now. The link is given in the description. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notification for our newest post. See you next video.